What's up everyone, I'm Ariel. Welcome to my channel, Fashion Ari. And in today's video, we are going to be making our outfit for this event I'm going to. I have not been to an event in a long time. It's been, honestly, I don't think I've been anywhere until, I mean, the last time I've been anywhere was when I did that fashion show, which was literally in 2022. So yeah, I'm excited to show up and show out. I do want to utilize these curtains. These are curtains. If you've seen my last video, I'm gonna tag it up here. I spoke about these curtains and that I wanted to make something out of them, and I feel like it's the perfect vibe for this, a brunch type vibe. And so I would love to make my classic signature wide leg pleat pant. So this fabric is perfect for that. I think that I'm going to make the pants first. I would like to make a set, but I want to make sure I have enough for the pants, and then whatever material we have left over, we can make a top. If we don't have enough material for the top, I'm thinking to use that linen material, that white linen material. I gotta figure out what shoes. And I'm gonna look different too, because I would like to do some type of Marley boho twist type of hairstyle. So probably by the end of this video, or I might have put it in the front, I'm gonna look different because I'm sick of my hair. I don't know what to do with it anymore. So yeah, I would like to have like that type of hairstyle. So yeah, let's get into it. And I hope it's not cold. The outfit that I'm making is very like warm weather friendly. I don't have a cute jacket and I don't want to make a jacket. I am in Florida right now, so the weather has been like you know, up and down, and it's cold one day, hot one day. So I hope that that day the weather is perfect weather, so I don't have to wear a jacket, because otherwise I'll be screwed. Because I'm not making a jacket and I don't have nothing cute. So all right, let's get into it. All of my patterns are in here and in there, so let's go grab that. Y'all know I love this pattern. So I'm using this and I want to add some bell sleeves to it. I don't know how I would attach it. Either I'm gonna attach it here at the armpit and make it like a, what do you call that? Like basically off the shoulder, big sleeve, just hanging off of my arm. Or I would attach it there and just like put a little piece here. I don't know. That I have, like this is, oh, here it is. Yeah, so large sleeve. It kind of looks like a half circle skirt. Yeah, that's what I would love. Just like a big sleeve along with that top. So it can hang here at the bottom, and if I need to attach it at the top, I'll just put like a little piece of fabric here to keep it together with everything. But yeah, so this is self-drafted. My pants are self-drafted, and then this pattern piece, I actually traced it onto paper. I traced it onto tracing pattern paper so that it's easier for me, and so I wouldn't ruin that pattern just yet, and I could cut that into many different sizes if needed. So I just traced my size onto paper pattern, and this is what we're going to use. Yay! I'm so excited. On my cutting table, it's not as big, it's not as wide, but I'm just gonna move the pattern as I go. So I am 5'1", my length is about 39. It's 39, but I will be wearing heels. So I want it really long though. So I am gonna cut it at about 42 inches in length. Yeah, about 42. I'm gonna move this like this. When I cut my pleat pants, you're gonna see it's just literally a box. So I am gonna use the hem that they have on here already as my hem. I think that's gonna be super nice and easier for me. I really need to get weights. And you guys, I think we are going to have enough material for the top. So I'm so excited. And I'm too perfect till I open my big mouth. Okay, let me play my song. So that's the front. Oh my gosh. Well, I am standing on my tippy toes, but I feel like, yeah, I mean, because I don't want to fall or nothing. But I feel like I could have cut it longer. But yeah, I am on my tippy toes, so that is about where the heels would be. But yeah, so it's just a box. And then we're going to pleat this. Isn't that going to be so cute? The waistband actually sewn together is only going to be a 2-inch waistband, so it's going to look like this. And that's not really going to cover my back. I feel like if I do a 4-inch waistband, then that would look better, you know? Help me suck it in, cover the rolls. I really don't like my back rolls. Yeah, okay, so I may have to recut this.
When I recut the waistband, I made sure that the fabric was unfold on the top and also the right. That way when I open up, the fabric is now 8 inches, and when I fold it, it's 4 inches to my liking. Here is how you remove pleated items from your dress form. You're going to lift up the fabric and keep your hand in place where the pleat is, and then just pin it. And you're going to keep doing that all the way around. And sometimes I pin it on both ends of the pleat, and sometimes I don't. It just depends how large the pleat is. And we just keep doing that, and then you sew the item from there. The two center front pieces of the pants are sewn together now. Now I'm adding the pockets to the side seams, and after I do this, I sewed it on and then serged it. And as you see here, I'm now adding the back pieces to the front, and I sew it on the side that has the pockets. I'm sorry I did not get a horizontal view, but this is the finished pant. I stitched the waistband at this seam here, and I serged that to finish it. Looking back at my footage, I didn't get much of a tutorial of the top. Let me know down below if you would like a full tutorial on this top. Let me know and I will demonstrate that for you. My pants were a little uneven after I sewed it all together, so I had to redo the hem. I folded it 1/2 inch first and ironed that down, and then folded it again 1 inch and ironed that down so I can get this beautiful thick hemline. And you're going to stitch it along where the black pins are.
Alright, you guys, so I just wanted to jump in and let y'all know where I am in the sewing process. I'm on the road right now, but I haven't touched back in about where I am, and the event is tomorrow, and now I'm in panic mode. Thank God I started when I did. I was even going to do a whole nother sewing project before this, and now look, the event is tomorrow. So right now I'm gonna put up on the screen like where I am. The pants are done. I just have to hand tack, I just have to hem the pants and also put a hook and eye, and the pants will be done. The top is halfway done as well. I just have to do the straps and also the bottom strap, and I think I'm gonna opt out of doing the sleeves, even though I love the idea. It's just too much material. I am small, I'm petite, I'm 5'1", and all that fabric is just too much, so I feel like the sleeves adding that is just swallowing me. So I think I'm gonna opt out for that. And it is kind of chilly. In the morning it's cold, but in the afternoon it's warm. So I don't know, the brunch is in the afternoon, and I'm like, but I don't have a cute coat, and I am a cold girly, so I get cold very fast. So I'm thinking that I still need to go get a coat. So we are possibly on our way to go do that now, but it is warm right now, so it may be hot enough, but just to be safe, I think I do want to see if I can get a coat to go with my outfit, because I just want to look cute, you know? I want to look put together. We are crunch time. I do have to do my nails. I have to do my toes. I have to fix my hair. And as you can see, my hair is not even in the Marley twist like I wanted. There's just no time for that. So we're just going to have to work with my natural hair right now. And yeah, we'll see you guys. I'm so excited for the event, and I'm so excited to make something and wear it. Hopefully the next scene is going to be either me at the event or showing my outfit and all that stuff. So if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and on to the outfit reveal and some event clips.
I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah. This was an amazing women's brunch powered by Mercedes-Benz and Simply Creative Designing. I had so much fun at this event. Make sure you follow my Instagram for all the behind the scenes. Until next time, you guys. Bye.